Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much they earn? That's not just a statistic, it's a reality for millions who work hard but still feel financially stuck. So I decided to take on a challenge. Can a few simple financial tips really change my life? Let's find out together as I put these ideas to the test and see how small, consistent steps can completely transform your financial future. Money can be one of the biggest sources of stress in life. Whether it's not earning enough, spending too much, or just not knowing where your money goes, financial struggles can feel endless. But here is the good news. You don't need to be a financial expert to turn things around. Sometimes, it's the small, consistent habits that make the biggest difference. In this video, we'll walk through a few simple yet powerful financial tips that anyone can use to take control of their money and start building a better future. The truth is, many people don't have a clear picture of their financial situation. They might know their monthly salary, but not exactly where it goes. This lack of clarity makes it easy to overspend and hard to save. The first step to fixing this is awareness. When you truly understand how much you earn, spend, and owe, you can make smarter decisions. So grab a notebook or open your Notes app. Track everything for a month. Seeing your spending habits in black and white can be an eye-opener. Creating a realistic budget doesn't mean cutting out all the fun in your life. It means balancing your priorities. List your income sources and then categorize your expenses: essentials, savings, and wants. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. A budget gives your money direction. It ensures that every dollar you earn has a purpose instead of just disappearing without notice. One of the simplest ways to take control is to automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings or investment account. This way, you're paying yourself first. It removes the temptation to spend before saving. Over time, these small automatic contributions add up, and you'll barely notice the difference in your spending, but your bank account will. Saving isn't just about having money for emergencies. It's about creating peace of mind. Start small if you need to, even $10 or $20 a week. The goal is to build the habit. Once it becomes second nature, you can increase the amount. Eventually, you'll want to have an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's your safety net against life's unexpected challenges, like job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. Once your savings are in place, the next step is to invest. Investing is how you make your money grow over time. Start with something simple like index funds or ETFs. You don't need to be an expert or have thousands to begin. What matters most is consistency. Even small monthly investments can grow significantly over the years thanks to compound interest, the magic of earning returns on your returns. Debt can feel like a heavy chain holding you back, but with a clear plan, you can break free. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards. Use the snowball method. Pay off one debt at a time, starting with the smallest balance. Each time you eliminate one, you'll gain momentum and confidence to tackle the next. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and remember that every payment brings you closer to freedom. Your mindset around money shapes your reality. If you constantly think you'll never have enough, that's likely to become true. Start seeing money as a tool, not a source of stress. Develop habits like gratitude for what you have and discipline for what you want. Financial success starts in your mind before it shows in your bank account. When you believe you can manage money well, your actions will naturally follow. Think beyond just paying bills and surviving month to month. What are your long-term goals? Do you want to buy a home, travel, start a business, or retire early? Write these goals down and attach a timeline to each one. When you know your why, saving and budgeting no longer feel like sacrifices. They become part of your bigger vision. Every dollar saved brings you one step closer to those dreams. Financial success isn't just about numbers. It's also about lifestyle choices. Avoid impulse shopping, unnecessary subscriptions, and status spending just to impress others. Focus on living within your means while still enjoying life. Cooking at home, using cashback apps, or finding free entertainment options can save you more than you realize. Small lifestyle changes can make a massive difference in your overall financial health. A close friend of mine once started with just $50 a month in savings. She automated it and forgot about it. Over time, she increased it gradually as her income grew. Today, she has a solid emergency fund, zero debt, and even started investing. Her story proves that financial freedom isn't about luck or huge income. It's about consistent, intentional action. The transformation starts small, but builds momentum faster than you think. To wrap it up, here's what we learned. Create a clear budget, automate your savings, invest consistently, manage debt wisely, and develop a positive money mindset. These steps may sound simple, but when applied consistently, they can completely reshape your financial future. The key isn't perfection, it's persistence. Every smart choice you make today builds a stronger tomorrow. Now it's your turn. What's one financial goal you want to achieve this year? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your journey. And if you're ready for the next step, check out my video, Build a Realistic Budget That Actually Works, to continue your path toward financial success and freedom.